Hey yo, what's up everybody? It's Zain JJ. Today I'm going to bring you an update on moomoo. Basically on this promotion itself they are having. It is quite amazing and I would say exciting as well for those who are here to hunt like free Apple stocks and of course other free stocks for the US citizens. So before we get started, I would like you to hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification and leave a thumbs up to this video. And of course before I get started, I would like to introduce you to my Discord channel, which I have been doing like giveaways from time to time about cryptocurrency, and of course from there I also like been into this thing called Exo Infinity, and after that from there I'm like issuing scholarships. So if you guys are interested in playing the game for free, try your luck by applying onto my scholarship application, and after that we are gonna get started right now. Before we talk about the free stocks, I would like to tell you more about moomoo app. So for you guys out there who do not know what is moomoo application about, basically it's a application for you to trade like stocks, and after that from there you can trade ETF, and of course there's a lot of amazing products in the moomoo application. And of course if let's say you log in daily you are able to gain point, and from there you can redeem like free cash voucher, and after the free stocks, and of course some freebie as well. So if you liked basically if you want to download the application, use the link down below, and after that from there I'm gonna guide you on how do you get like free 11 Apple stocks. I mean it, yes, free 11 Apple stocks. Alright, so for you guys out there who think that what is an Apple stock and you do not know what is it, basically an Apple stock is valued at 150, let's round it up, 150 US dollar, and after that 11 of it is gonna be like let's calculate, so it's gonna be 1,650 US dollar that is free. And after that from there moomoo is issuing, and after that if let's say you want to convert it to Sing dollars, over here you can see you're getting up to $2,214. So if you're interested in the video, kindly stay throughout the whole video, and after that from there we can understand how do you obtain this free 11 Apple stock. So first of all, over here you can see you can get stuff that is worth more than 2,250 Sing dollars, and after that from there, upon getting the free Apple stock itself, they are also issuing like 180 days of unlimited commission free trades on the US, Hong Kong and Singapore market, which you can basically trade for free on like basically 180 days. And of course do not be tricked by this thing over here. I would say that the free trading itself, it is not there's no commissions being charged on the SGX market, the Nasdaq, and after that some exchanges from the Hong Kong. Basically the free stuff that I'm talking about is basically moomoo application. They do not charge you a single cent on their fee, but of course if let's say you are going to buy through the SGX itself, the stocks is in SGX, and after that you're going to buy through it on Nasdaq, definitely the exchange itself, they are going to charge a different fee. Therefore I would say you will see a little fee of maybe $1 or $2. It's very little, but of course I would say that it's still free to trade on moomoo application. And after that from there they also give you free real-time codes for the US, USG, and after that China A shares market. So if you understand what is this, basically you can use it to your advantage. And of course if let's say you're already an existing stockholder, you can transfer your stock into moomoo application, and from there you can get a $50 cash voucher. And after that right now we're going to jump into how do you get your first Apple stock, and after that you can get your free 10 Apple stock, basically total 11. So over here we're gonna head over to the moomoo welcome bonus, the free Apple shares. Basically over here you can see the promotion is gonna end on the 2nd of October, and after that I will say that yeah, it is only for the new users out there who have registered after 2nd of September. So if let's say you have watched the video and you have not signed up an account, basically you want to sign up today, you can you are eligible to get this one free Apple stock just by signing up. And of course there's some terms and condition. So we're gonna scroll down over here. Yep, so over here the treasure box, basically they have two treasure boxes over here. One of it is very simple, you can get the points, and after that from there the points you can redeem their merchandise and of course some other freebies over there. And after that for the treasure box 2 itself is very simple, you will need to learn how to trade, and after that from there get a 50 point, and after that this over here is going to help you on getting like the free Apple stock itself. Why is that so? Because you will need to deposit 2,700 Sing dollars, and after that or let's say 2,000 US or Hong Kong 16,000 within the campaign period, which is 2nd of September all the way to 2nd of October. So during this period itself, if you deposit 2,700 Sing dollar, and after that from there you complete 5 trades in whatever on all the market except futures within 60 days from the day of your first deposit. So if let's say you sign up your account today and you deposit your funds on the 1st of October, or let's say on the 2nd of October before the time itself over here, before 20,000, yeah, basically 20,000 hours. It is 8 p.m. Before 8 p.m. if you, let's say, you deposit your funds, and after that from there on the 2nd of October you will have 60 days for you to start trading 5 times. And after that, I'm going to tell you a trick. To be honest, the 5 trades itself is very simple to secure. First of all, one buy is one trade and one sell is another trade, so you need to do it 6 times on whatever stable stock that you can find on the market itself. Just buy, sell, buy, sell, buy, sell, basically 3 times this cycle, buy and sell. You will basically achieve these five trades, and after that you will be rewarded with 1 Apple free stock. And after that from there, some of you guys might be skeptical, like if I put in my $2,700, will they run away? So you have to know that moomoo application is regulated with by the MAS, and after that from there I would say it's licensed and they will not run away with your funds. To be honest, I have already done this promotion like 4 months ago. I already received my free Apple stock and I withdrawn my funds, and after that I cash out my Apple stock as well. So everything is on my Instagram account. If you want to, you can just take a look over there on the highlights, and after that from there, the next portion of this promotion itself is for all existing users as well. So over here, you can get up to 10 Apple stock, and it is very simple. It is just a referral program, like what I'm doing. Basically, if let's say you have friends or family who have not signed up for moomoo application, you can show them, and after that from there you guys can basically, they can enjoy one Apple share, and after that you can enjoy as well 1 Apple share. And of course we're gonna read the terms and conditions. So over here, to enjoy this Apple share itself, it's very simple. If let's say your friend sign up, and after that you teach him how to like buy and sell, and after that from there he or she completed the trade, she will get 1 Apple stock. And after that, let's say you have another friend doing the same thing, you teach both of your friends, and after that both of them unlock the free Apple stock itself, you will also automatically receive 1 Apple stock. So over here, every 2 friends that completed the first tier over here as mentioned, you will receive 1 Apple stock. And after that, it's very simple. The promotion period is the same period from 2nd September all the way to 2nd October. So you can refer up to 20 friends, and after that from there 2 friends will give you 1 Apple stock, and therefore you can receive up to 10 Apple stock. And after that, I would say this is the end of the promotion for Singapore. So right now we're gonna jump into the US free stocks. So for the US people who are watching this, you can basically learn how to achieve some free stocks as well. So over here for the US citizen itself, you are also entitled to some free stocks over here. So first of all, it's very simple. For the US citizen, you can open a brokerage account through the moomoo duration of during this promotion period, which is on 19th of August all the way to 20th of September. So right now, if let's say you open an account and you need to be at least 18 years old and above, and after that from there you basically do not have a moomoo account. If let's say you have sign up and open an account over here, you will be your account will receive a chance for a lucky draw for a free stock worth between $3 to $50, 350 I mean. And after that from there, this range over here is quite big, so you are basically getting the minimum $3 for free just by opening an account, up to $350. If let's say you are lucky enough, you just did a draw, and after that from there you won this $350, is just by opening an account. And after that from there, I would say that for the US citizen, you do not need to put a single cent out there, and after that from there you unlock this 350 if let's say you are super lucky. And after that, to be honest, if let's say you did not achieve this 350, it's okay, because you are still getting paid $3. And after that, I would say signing up an account, and after that it takes you less than, I would say, 15 minutes, you get a $3. I would say why not. And after that, over here, the second promotion of the US citizens itself is very simple. Over here, you can get 1 General Motors shares, and after that from there we can check how much is the GM stock. So as for today itself, General Motors is worth around 50.25 US dollar. And after that over here, yes, they have equivalent it to 50, yes. And after that from there, it's very simple to unlock this over here. Simple to say, just deposit. Basically this over here will need to involve some money, so therefore you need to have at least 2,000 US dollar, and after that from there you will need to complete a minimum deposit of 2,000 during the time period and maintain your average assets of $2,000 or above 30 days. And after that, assets refers to cash position. So over here then you will get a free GM stock. So over here it's very simple. So over here, I'm just going to tell you how do you get this stock itself. It's very simple. If let's say you are interested in trading on moomoo itself, want to buy some stock and something like that, if let's say you are going to deposit more than $2,000, yes, you can buy stocks, and after that from there, hopefully the price of the stock does not fluctuate. If let's say you want to secure this free General Motors stock itself, I would say just do not trade on it. Just deposit 2,000 US dollar over there, and after that from there, just hold the cash until the end of basically over here. until the end of the promotion period. So the promotion period is going to end on the 20th of September. So if let's say you're going to hold your funds all the way until the 20th of September, you are able to unlock these free general motor stocks. And after that, from there, I would say that over here, so yeah, basically it's for 30 days. So if let's say you start today, after 30 days you will need to hold your funds for 1 month in the stock in the moomoo application, and after that, from there you're able to unlock your funds. So yeah, the promotion period is for whoever sign ups. So over here, if let's say you are signing up before the 20th of September, you are able to get an opening account free stock, and after that it is worth up from 3 to up to 350. And if let's say you want to deposit your funds today, tomorrow, or let's say on the 19th of September, it will need to, basically you need to hold for 30 days, and after that, from there you are able to unlock your general motor funds. And after that, yeah, over here this is just all the promotion of the US stock, and after that, from there we're going to end the video. And if you are not subscribed to the channel, kindly hit the thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and of course turn on post notification on my video. And of course, before we end the video, I would like to bring attention to those who are holding cryptocurrency, especially Ethereum, Binance token, if not like Polygon, Matic, and if not whatever smart contract platform out there. You guys might heard about free airdrops. That is true, and after that, sometimes if let's say you check your wallet, you receive some free tokens that is airdropped by whoever it is, and you check the value, it is worth from $500 up to $40,000. And after that, I would say that you have to double check if let's say the airdrop is a scam or legit, because there's a lot of scam ongoing on this Binance Smart Chain. Basically, people airdropping free tokens, and from there they are luring people to to activate their wallet onto their website, and from there they steal all their funds. So if you want to know more about it, kindly head over to airdropscams.com. and after that, this website has been basically created by me, and after that, from there I have tell people how does this scam work, and after that, how can you prevent it. So if let's say you have friends or family who are in the cryptocurrency field, you might want to send this airdropscams.com to them, and after that, from there, warn them, and after that, yeah, basically stay safe. And I will say see you on the next one. Kindly hit the subscribe button, turn on post notification, and leave a thumbs up to this video, and see you on the next one. Bye bye.